As the saying goes, it's not the size that counts, it's how you use it. But does this long-standing phrase ring true in the hugely debated topic of penis size? Does your member actually make a difference in attractiveness or ability to pleasure your partner? Interestingly, humans have the largest penis of any primate, both in absolute size and relative to body proportion, so you can be proud of that. Throughout evolutionary history, females likely developed an interest and preference for penis shape and size, much like how female peacocks have a preference for a male with stunning feathers. As a result, they chose mates with larger penises, ultimately passing on those genes. This is known as sexual selection. It may also have been an advantage for males, as a longer penis is more efficient at removing the sperm of rival males during intercourse. The longer your depth of thrust, the better semen displacement, ensuring your genes get passed on. One particular study found that some women experience more frequent vaginal orgasms with longer penises, suggesting that it may be able to stimulate the entire length of the vagina and the cervix. However, it's important to note that women experience different types of orgasms. In fact, vaginal and clitoral orgasms may be completely separate phenomenon. They use different nerves and even stimulate different areas of the brain. Even the coveted G-spot, another sexually sensitive area in women, is located only 1/3 of the way into the vagina. Apart from this, many surveys of women have found that they're not nearly as concerned with size as men might think, and preferences vary. However, studies on homosexual men have shown that they regard a larger penis as ideal. Another study in 2013 actually found that flaccid penis size may also be a major factor in male attractiveness, even before sexual contact, which may seem odd considering we wear clothes nowadays, but for our ancestors, the genitals would have been visible. In the study, women were asked to rank the attractiveness of males based on computer-generated images reflecting different body types and penis sizes. From this, it was clear that not only were taller and more fit men much more desirable, but flaccid penis size played a role in their perceived attractiveness too. The larger the penis, the higher they were rated. But there was a limit. A flaccid penis larger than about 7.6 centimeters and attractiveness began to diminish. It would seem a penis in proportion may be most desirable. After all, over-exaggerated traits, even those related to attractiveness, can often be a sign of problems. And it turns out that the person attached to the penis makes a difference too, with most all studies showing confidence, enjoyable personality, and attraction being the best predictor of sexual satisfaction. Ultimately, while size does seem to matter in some ways, bigger isn't always better. Just be glad you don't have a penis. We break down some of the craziest genitals nature has to offer in our new ASAP Thought video. Seriously, there is some crazy stuff out there, so be sure to check the video out. Click the screen or use the link in the description. And subscribe for more weekly science videos.